Okay guys, in this course I will show you how can you build website in less than an hour. You don't need to know anything about coding or anything related to coding. This Shopify platform is used only like Word, so it is just drag and drop and it is really easy to use. I will also show you what apps to use to start your dropshipping. We will create website from zero, and so everything in here I will explain you. So I will now create a website using Shopify. I will also show you how to connect your Shopify with domains. I will show you how to import products, how to connect it to your payment gateways, how to set up dropshipping rates. In this course also I will show you how to add Facebook pixel code, how to connect it with Google Analytics. And in this course I will show you also how to prolong these 14 trial days. So if you are starting, I will show you how to prolong these 14 days free to 21 days. In this course also I will show you how am I finding clients so you can sell websites to them. I will show you what messages you can send, what email templates you can send to clients. I will show you where to look for clients that are looking for website developers, so you can offer your services to them and you can build a website in less than an hour, and you can get up to $200 for just one website. You will get $100 for website development, and I will show you what affiliate hostings am I using to get affiliate commissions once my customers and clients pay for that hosting. So that would be all for this introduction video. We'll now start creating our website using Shopify platform. So let's start.